Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. Ooh la la. What do we have here? What do we have here now? La da da. Offer trend line, also offer 20 EMA. Let's see if we can get a scalp here. Come on, my pandas. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. It's good to be back, pandas. The small break makes me look forward to these days even more. Currently, the ATR is 50 points, pandas. I'm just getting 50-point candles every single time. It's gonna
Target filled.
Okay. I just got filled immediately. Was that 10 points? Oh, 10 points is 200 bucks. That was 10 points. 10 points isn't it $200? What just happened? Wait, what just happened? I'm so confused. How many points? Why did I only give me like... What's happening? Oh, I'm so confused. 40 points is 10 points, right? 40 ticks, yeah. That was so weird. I don't know why it only gave me That was weird. That was really weird. I'll take it. That was really weird. I don't know, pandas. Strange things are happening. It only gave me 5 ticks or 5 points when my ATM set to 10. That was strange. I do not know why that happened, but pandas, green is green. Profit is profit. Come on, my pandas. Hey, wild things are happening this morning. I mean, this is the daily chart. I mean, we gotta take a look at the daily chart because pandas, guess what? We broke this channel. We destroyed it. We're absolutely demolishing it currently. What's gonna happen? The weekly chart now sinking beneath the 20 EMA. Let's see if we get... I mean, we have a close here, but let's see if we get some follow through on that weekly chart. That's what I really want to see. 5-minute chart. I did trade a little bit on Friday. Top left of your screen, you can see where I'm at on my 150k counts. I am about 2,800-ish on average across my accounts, which brings us more than halfway there, pandas. More than halfway there, and that's good news. Once you pass that halfway point, it's kind of like you start to kind of go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Let's hope that doesn't happen to us. I'm still a little confused why they only give me 5 points. It's so strange. I do not understand what happened. The only thing that I can think of is that it filled so fast, it didn't have time to get to the 5-point mark or the 10-point mark, or I don't know, pandas. It's just weird. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, nasty push up actually. We do have news today. News at 10 o'clock, which is the ISM Services PMI. And yeah, I mean, it could move the markets. It could. It could. It might. Maybe. I don't think it will. I usually don't like bank on it, but Pandas. Good morning. Drop your GMs in the chat. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. You're thinking testing 240 SMA here. Make a new high. It was a good second entry long. It's one of the cleanest ones I've seen in a while, Pandas. It really is. Off our trend line, also off the 20 May. Decent signal bar. I mean, you gotta try. You gotta try, right? Somewhere in the Rockies. Thanks for your engagement. I mean, they're gonna lower interest rates. Typically, when there's an announcement of lowering interest rates, you're thinking like the market goes down a little bit, and then after all of that money printing starts happening, the market starts to reinflate. But it does for a little bit pull back because when you say that when the government says they need to raise interest rates or lower interest rates, they're saying this economy is doo-doo. Like even the government is saying it's doo-doo, which is the crazy part because elections are coming up soon, and I've never ever seen the market go down before an election. It's kind of crazy that that would ever happen because the current administration will do whatever they can to, you know, prop up the stock market, prop it up, do whatever they can. I mean, both Democrats and Republicans do that, so I'm surprised. Ricardo, welcome, welcome, welcome. Getting a higher low here. Do I like it? Actually, yeah. I do like it. Higher low would look nice here. Would I get 10 points though? Maybe. It's a little bit risky, obviously, because you have this pivot high that could potentially act as resistance. Market's also about to open in about... Okay, we triggered it here. Let's try. I'll take a retracement. I'll take a retracement. I'll take a small retracement. Alright. Okay, something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. Like, it's only putting it... 1, 2, 3, 4... What? Okay, it is 10 points. Weird. Don't know why that other one stopped where it did. These candles are massive, by the way. And if you're gonna do this, you gotta get your 1-to-1, right? Whoa! Whoa! I guess it didn't like the higher low, Pandas. I take it all back. I take it all back. That was crazy. It didn't get, I mean, I'm glad. My slippage was how many points? But 2 points. It's not the worst. Not the worst, Pandas. Not the worst. Maybe coming into a limit order market. Do I have the cojones to just like buy down here? Do I have the cojones for that? Do I have the cojones just to buy it at my trend line? I don't. Definitely not because we didn't hit the top of it. Could reverse here. Second inch short forming on the 5,000 tick. I was up 100. Now I'm down almost 600. These candles are huge, Pandas. I'm setting my pause. I'm gonna scalp the 5,000 tick. While I thought the stock market recovered, and then I realized my phone was upside down. You realize you're doing a headstand. Hate when that happens. Oof. All right. Okay. Okay. I know when I'm wrong. I'll admit it. I'll admit when I'm wrong. I get it. Hmm. Do we have big news at 10? It's not big news. Not big. But you know, don't get me wrong. Any news can be big. If it's marked as high impact, it can have high impact. But the ISM services PMI at 10 o'clock today, it's not one that I bank on. It's not one that I bank on unless I'm desperate. But it's not what I'm bank on. By the way, Panda's BBM for 80% off and 1 day to pass has been extended. Big surprise. It's been extended 9 days. 9 days from now. So that means next Wednesday, Pandas, is your last day. But I mean, if the pattern continues, Pandas, like it's gonna be like 80% for forever. I mean, if we look at this chart right now, we are far away from the previous day's close. The weekly close was right here, and we gapped down beneath the close or the low of the week, and then we just kept going down, Pandas. We're gonna have a huge gap on the 5-minute chart. It's gonna be disgusting, like a huge gap on the 5-minute chart. So I got you short. I'm planning to take on the 5,000 tick chart. It might trigger with the new or with the open. It may trigger with the open. That's stinky right there. The higher low. I thought we were for sure gonna test a 240 SMA, but then it just like whoop. Rug pulled me. That means so many people are waiting for limit orders right there. It's quite incredible. Quite fascinating, Pandas, wouldn't you say? Good morning, my Pandas. Make sure you slap that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Let me know you guys are here. We're ready to go, Pandas. We're ready to go. I'm gonna take a short here, Pandas, soon. Okay. Oof.
$10,000 tick trap.
In this trade, looking for 10-point scalp real quick. My goodness. No, now it goes down. No, Pandas. It just like takes me out. I jumped the gun a little bit there, I guess. Jeez Louise, what in the world? I'm getting hammered here. Clobbered. It's clobbering time right now. It's all good. I think we're gonna make it up though. I think we're gonna make it up. I think we're gonna make it up. Let's get this lower high. Lower high looks good here. Let's try, Pandas. Let's try. Let's try something once in our lives. Let's take some risk once in our lives, you know? For once. Huh, what? It didn't trigger. Oh no! I thought it was gonna for sure trigger. What is happening? I gotta try again. Alright, we're in. Huh! The volatility is insane, Pandas. Let's look for that new low. Looking for a new low here. No! What is going on, Pandas? Wait. What's happening? Second just short? Am I going to get it? Can I time it? Yee. It's looking ugly. Looking really ugly. Okay, end this trade. Oh my gosh, Pandas. I can't even get in a trade right now. It's just insane right now. The volatile. I'm down 2K right now, pandas.
Target filled.
The candles are huge. They're just moving so fast. I wanted a 1-to-1 there. I made some back. Amazingly. I made a little bit back there. I should have figured it would turn to a trading range of some sort. Jeez, pandas, I got clobbered. But pandas, don't you fret. I need a little bit more. I need to change this order. I need a little more wiggle room to... I need more time, pandas. I'm getting a higher low here. Let's see if we get a new high here. It looks like it wants a new high. It looks like it wants a new high. I'm in this trade. It looks like it wants a new high. Maybe I'm jumping the gun here. Oh my gosh, pandas. Alright, trading range. Jeez, we gotta calm down a little bit. The volatility is a little bit insane right now. It's actually insane. Calm down, pandas. Get the higher low here. Right, bounce off the 20 EMA. It looks nice for a long. I jumped the gun here. It was a little far away from 20 EMA. Ooh, second entry long. I'm interested, pandas. I'm quite interested here for the second entry long. But I don't know, pandas. What's going on, actually? What's really happening? It's not going to give it to me, huh? Oof. Okay. Yep. 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 Pandas, we're getting clobbered right now. Jeez. You know, pandas, we'll make it back. We'll make it back, I'm sure. Whew, this is crazy. This is a bit crazy right now. This is so volatile. Okay, looking for that new high now after it takes me out a bajillion times. Okay, okay, okay. I get it. Take me out a bajillion times, okay? I get it. I get it. New high created. 240 SMA finally tested, which I thought was going to test here, not test over here. Bouncing off the 240 SMA. Do I want to first bounce off of it? Not really. I mean, we could be in an uptrend, like a strong uptrend now. We can. We can be. Like, this could be our trading range. Like, this whole box can be our trading range. It could actually be. I wouldn't be surprised if it is. The market probably wants some time to figure out what it wants to do. Small pullback bull trend currently, right into 240 SMA, right after the new high created. Starting to break down. But if we're above the 20 EMA, like, it's hard to go short, in my opinion. As long as we're above the 20 EMA, it's hard to go short. Truly. But these candles are huge, pandas. That's another problem. The higher low here, right off the 20 EMA, also in our trend line. It's sus, pandas. It's sus. New high already created. A higher low is created. I like a better setup than that. But it's a decent long trade, in my opinion. It's a decent long. It really is. Okay. Decent long. Curious what happens here. Second entry long. I'll take a trap trade, pandas. I'll take a trap. It looks too strong, though. Coming back up now. That was a little sus. Now strong bull bar. Almost just want to buy right there. Thinking the market may have to make a decision here on which way to move. always in long right now. I may just have to buy anywhere, everywhere. Man, the pandas, the market just chopped me up like pop, 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 pop. I was ping-ponging. I was pinballing. Jeez Louise. Alright, we're just in a massive uptrend right now. Small pullback bull trend. We're in breakout mode, I think, on the higher time frames. Strong bull bar on a 5,000 tick chart. I'm trapped out of this trend right now. I gotta wait for a pullback, but I don't know if it's gonna come. So I'm going to reload my historical while we wait. Pandas. Big pain right now. Jeez Louise. I hate it. Okay, another push up. Okay. Strong bull bar ending on its high. I almost just want to go long with a limit order somewhere. Almost just want to go long in a limit order. I need to get long in the limit order somehow, but I don't know how or where or when. That blue box that I mentioned, it might actually come to fruition. I made a blue box that looked like this, and this might be the range for today. It could easily be the range. Small pullback bull trend still, so you cannot go short here, pandas. You just cannot go, like, if you're thinking of going short, just erase it from your brain right now. Just erase it. Erase it right now if you feel like you need to go short. I thought I can get away with a limit order there. Pandas, never mind. Bring back the shorts. Come back and think about the shorts right now. Jeez Louise. Let me try to go long here. First touch of the 20 MA after this huge move.
Target filled.
Man, I don't have enough time, pandas. I don't have enough time. I need more points. I need 100 ticks just to have enough time to move my stop losses. Lower high being created here. Interesting. Kind of random spot, in my opinion. Like, I think if you're a bull, you're still thinking to go long. Like, limit orders now coming here. Okay, limit order bulls coming in a little bit. I widened it already, and now I'm widening it even more. I'm at 100 ticks, long and short, on my ATM because the ATR volatility is crazy right now, pandas. It's just insane. I mean, you gotta consider that this is. I mean, you're underneath the 20 EMA at this point. It's hard just to go long here, in my opinion. I gotta let this one go. It's a second entry long, but it's just against all my rules right now. It's a strong uptrend. That's the main thing. Breakout, pullback, test here, possibly. Breakout here, test, trap trade. It's the first trap after this huge move up. I typically don't do this. But I guess that's our first for everything, pandas. If it's like a strong bull bar, forget about it. Forget about it. It was just a pullback this whole time. Give me a higher low, I'll try. A higher low and I'll try it, pandas. I'll try. A higher low. Give it to me. I'll take a higher low. I'm gonna be a little more conservative because I'm down $2 million. So let's calm down a little bit, pandas. Give me the higher low and I'll take it. Is that good enough? Ooh, that is definitely good enough. I'll take the higher low here, so. Ooh, oh, jeez. Never mind. Never mind, pandas. Actually, do I still want it, though? Actually, bear trap? Actually, maybe not bad. That bad of a trade? Actually, probably turning to trading range. I'm making a big mistake. Wow, comes all the way back up. All right, I'm in this. I mean, the risk is insane. I can't even go all. I gotta go 50%. I can't go all the way to the bottom. I just can't. Ooh, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga. It's a ooga booga market. I feel like a cave. I'm going back to my primal roots, pandas. I'm going back to my caveman roots. Ooga booga, ooga 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 booga. That's what the market is making me feel. It makes me feel like just primal right now. What in the world's happening? Pandas, what's going on? It's an ooga booga market for sure. Jeez Louise. I need to create more buffer when I create my orders with my hotkeys. All right, I think we're good. We are set, pandas. We are set. Do I want a higher low? I mean, we're in the ooga booga market, pandas. I'm not gonna take outside. Okay, outside bar reversal. No, thank you. No, thank you though on the outside bar reversal. But the outside bar reversal still looking good. Triggers, pops up. Yeah, I mean the higher low. Unfortunately, it triggers with the outside bar reversal, which I do not like. I really don't like the outside bar reversal. 5,000 tick chart. Let's quickly chart it real quick. Quickly chart it real quick. You know what I mean, pandas? That's when you have a 1,000-word essay and you have 950 words. Let me quickly chart this real quick. Quickly, I will chart this quickly. I'm starting to feel like Kamala Harris. Alright. It's looking funky. It's the Ooga Booga market, pandas. Welcome to the Ooga Booga trading. I mean, we're almost at the top, right? This pivot highs. You got to consider that possibly, it could be a good resistance for us. A potential resistance point. Or maybe not. Who knows? This big blue box is what I'm keeping an eye on. We've been to the border. We've been to the border. We've gone to the border. Have you been to the border? I haven't been to Europe. 50% of you guys might understand that monologue I just did. 50% of you guys might understand it. The other 50% are wondering, what is Buy My Money talking about? He's lost it. This Ooga Booga market made him just absolutely lose it all. Okay, the higher lows. Right, it's a really tight spiking channel here. I wish I held that now. I really wish I held that. Jeez. I mean, I gotta ask. The big D or the big K? Special K or the big D? Wowzers. Hillary. All right, push down. I mean, I almost just want to go long off the 20 EMA, pandas. I almost just want to go long. I mean, I paid the price before. Am I willing to pay it again is the question. Jeez Louise. Pullback. Limit order buys here. I guess I could wait for a second entry long. I'm too eager to go long here though, pandas. Yeah, that seems right. The market is just absolutely insane right now. I'll just tell you that much. Second entry long might be forming, which is nice. I mean, if you can take the second entry long, sure, why not? I'm thinking this is going to ride off the 20 EMA, but we'll see. We shall see, pandas. We shall see. It'd be nice if we triggered that second entry long, but I don't think it is. I don't think it's happening, pandas. It's bye-bye. Leaving without us. I mean, it's just, it is what it is. Whoa. Trading range? Starting to form? It's a decent spot to buy if it is. I mean, that's a strong bear bar. I'll tell you that much. It's a very strong bear bar, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Starting to turn to limit order market here a little bit. Higher low is created. Okay, second entry long, maybe. Okay. Okay, strong bear bar. Any near is low. Can I? Pandas. Is there a dream? Is there a dream? Is there a dream? No dream. I thought we get a nice bounce off the 20 EMA. I guess not, pandas. I guess not. At this point, I might as well came out break even right there, so I can like just take the second entry long instead. Wowzers. I mean, wow. Okay, that was weird. All right, I'll take it. Actually, I came out break even, just waiting for the second entry long instead. I thought there was a dream, pandas. I thought there was a dream. Now I'm taking the short here. I'm looking for the fail second entry long. Fail second entry long. Here we go. We're underneath the 20 MA. Closing underneath the 20 MA. We almost made it to the top, but I think we're not going to make it. Not right now, at least. All right, pandas. Let's hope this is a good one. Let's hope it's a good one. Second entry long. Off the 20 EMA here. I have to time this so perfectly. It's going to be so hard. Whew. I think we're good. I think we're good. Wow. Okay. Pandas, it couldn't even, it didn't even let me in. What is that? What is that? All right, now I'm in. Do I even want to be in now? Is the question. Jeez Louise. I gotta get the 1-to-1 at least. Wowzers. It's gonna take me out, huh? It's a crazy market today, pandas. What can I say? It's a crazy one. What in the world, pandas? I can't trade this. This is crazy. Oh my god. Pandas. Pandas. I thought I was going to have a good time today. I thought I was going to have a really good time today, but it is looking the opposite right now. It is looking like I'm struggling. How much threshold we have, pandas? We got $2,000 threshold. We're good. We're good. We're fine. That's all I need, pandas. That is all I need. Trust me. That is all I need. Whew! What in the world, pandas? I mean, I thought that was a beautiful setup. It looked really good. I mean, look at this. Fail second entry long. It's just, you can't really ask for more in the setup. Here's a second entry short, actually, at the end of it. Triggering here. Okay. I mean, it is what it is. What can you do? What can you do? This is getting all funky right now. It's getting really funky right now. I think it wants some more push down, pandas. It's a limit order market, however. My best bet is to go short here with a limit order. That is the best bet. It's a little bit sus, though. It's a little bit sus. Limit order trade right there. Get back to the bottom of the trading range. It's actually her best bet. It's kind of crazy. But you know me. I like the bad bets. I like the bad bets, Pandas. Second entry short, Pandas. Here we go. Can we get it one time? Just one time, Pandas. Can we get it one time? Second entry short, Pandas. Oh, you know what? News. In about 2.5 minutes. Yikes. You know what? I'm canceling this. I'm going to let news do its thing. Because I don't want to be in a trade during news. You know what I mean? I forgot. We had news in about 2 minutes. It is a second entry short, though. Goodness gracious. Good signal bar, too. We got like 7 overlapping bars in a row. It's a limit order market. It's an okay skip. Also okay entry, I think. You gotta have the right risk reward, though. You need to have a good risk reward here. But news in about 1.5 minutes. Sitting on my pause. This is Ninja Trader. Yeah, that's why they call it a Nascraq, Pandas. It's called a Nascraq for a reason. But Pandas, I'll make it back. Just watch. Just watch. Once we start seeing the actual like trend, Pandas, trust me, we'll make it back. We'll make it back big time. Just stick around. Stick around, Pandas. Goodness gracious. 1 minute to news. Sitting on my pause here. Like I mentioned, the best thing you could have done was go with the limit order sell there. It actually works out. Goodness. Scary, though. Scary to do that. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. 24 votes, and it's pretty neck to neck. Voting for Kamala or Trump? Jeez Louise. Maybe I should ask, who are you voting for? I do a little census here. Maybe I should change it. Who are you voting for? Not who will be the next president. Because you might vote for someone that you think is like not gonna win, but you want to vote for them out of principle, right? All right, news about to drop here. Will it push us up or down? We're in trading range mode, right? Limit orders galore. You can tell by the price action. We're in limit order market. All right, news drops. Looks like it's pushing up. Looks like it's pushing up. Looks like it's really pushing up. Super push. Super duper push. And we made it to the top of the trading range. This big blue box. Are we going to break out of the trading range is a question. Quite possibly. Ultimately just pushes up. Makes a new high. Okay. Okay. Have we made our move, Pandas? Have we decided the direction we're going to go? Someone writing in. Do you guys have like what's it called? Ranked voting? Should they do ranked voting for the presidential election? If you don't rank voting, it just means that you can vote for like more than one person. Like you can rank who you want to vote for. So it gives you opportunity to vote for like an independent if you really wanted to. What lot you use, bro? This is not a forex. I'm trading literally one contract on the Nascraq. And it's just exploding into outer space right now. You don't go short here, pandas. You gotta look for a long trade somewhere. The question is, where is the long? Where is the long? I guess news was good. Bouncing off the top of our trend line here. Top of our channel. Believe it or not, pandas, on the 5-minute chart, you may not believe this, but we've literally been one leg up the entire time on the 5-minute chart. That means we haven't broken a previous candle's low yet on the 5-minute chart. That's kind of insane, no? Isn't that kind of crazy? Eric Johansson has 400 accounts. Yes, sir. How many contracts I trade? One. Just one. Hugh says, Al Brooks for president. He'll get us out of debt day trading the treasuries. That would be crazy. I'm sure they have like, I don't know. Actually, no. No, I have no idea. I was gonna say they probably have a couple Al Brooks in there, like clones or something. But look at the U.S. debt. I don't think it's true. Basically, the U.S. is like martingaling themselves. Just double it every time. Double up your bet every single time. One time it's gonna get you out of the hole. It just takes one time to get you out of the hole. Is the second entry long? I don't know. Looks exhausted. It's not touching anything. It's a bad signal bar. Gotta skip it. It's a bad signal bar. It's not touching this, our support here. But it is a second entry long in midair. I'm gonna skip it because it doesn't really abide by any rules that we have, other than it's a two-legged pullback. But we need to bounce off some sort of support, some sort of trend line, like even like anything really, just anything. But it has nothing. Better off sitting on your pause. It might have been a good skip here. You're still in the trade if you are in it though, because your stop loss is right here, right? Could be a nice, retracement trade maybe. Very low risk now. Okay, so good skip ultimately. Our second entry longs failing in midair like that. Just let those go. You just never know. You just never know, pandas. You never know. It's a bounce off the 20 EMA now. This looks better. I could try this. Sure, why not? It's just very hard to time, pandas. I'll tell you that much. Very hard to time. It could be setting itself up for a H4 here, which is very common. Right, 4 pushes down. We're such a strong uptrend. I'm just gonna take a bounce off the 20 with a good signal bar, which is what we have. And I'm looking for a one-to-one trade essentially, right? It's just using the bottom of this pivot. We might not even get that. Yeah, I mean, I gotta hold strong. I gotta hold this, pandas. Unfortunately, it's probably not gonna work. But I gotta hold it because I need the one-to-one, pandas. I need the one-to-one here. The risk is not worth it. I'd rather lose this trade than come out early because of the fact that I need to make enough money to make that trade worth it. And it was not enough money in the long run. So we're just getting hit there. Moving on. It could be an H4. I could attempt one more time if it gives us a good signal bar. It's a really nice looking signal bar coming off the 20 MA. Doesn't give you a one-to-one though. Now we're beneath the 20 MA. Could be a pullback here. I mean, it is a pullback for sure. Jeez Louise, pandas. I'm getting murdered. Trying to go long in an uptrend. I lose. Trying to go short in a short trend. Or downtrend. I lose. It's just, you just can't win today, pandas. You just can't win. I can't do it. It's an H4. It's a naked H4. I'm not gonna take it. Getting absolutely demolished here right now, though. Can't take any trade here. Underneath the 20 MA, just cannot do anything. Just gotta let it go. We're still in one up leg on the 5-minute chart, pandas. We still have not made one bear leg. Even by one tick, we haven't made one bear leg. Go long and uptrend, go short and uptrend, you just lose, 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 lose. That's what today is about right now, pandas. But can we make it up? Can we do it? Can we dig ourselves out of this hole? This 3.6K hole. Can we do it? Big bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Starting to form. We gotta let it finish though. It's quite a strong push down, to be honest. Pre-workouts might have a thing. We might be testing this area. This was a point of interest, right? Then the news dropped, popped up. The news might exhaust the market, come back down. I mean, it could all be possible. It's another push down. Goodness gracious, that's rough. Huh. Spike in channel right now. That's what's happening. I mean, it's a strong push down, pandas. This area might be a point of interest because of how much overlap we had here. Might show it might due to price action might have shown us price of interest here. Whew. It's tough to say. Got too many things going on in my charts right now. Let's clean it up. I see it as a spiking channel. It's really small, but it's a spiking channel. We finally have our first bear leg triggering here. You're thinking another push up. Trump at 62% now. Let's go. Getting demolished here. Jeez. It's just crazy. Just crazy. Bulls couldn't make money here. Bears are making money now. And I just can't get in. I cannot get in. Like, when it looks like this, I cannot get in. It's difficult. When it's this tight, it's very hard for me to just jump in here. Balancing out the 20 EMA. It's the first bear leg here, right? It's our first pullback. We're looking for one more leg up here. At least that's what I'm thinking, but who knows? Who truly knows? We can come back all the way back to the bottom of the low of day. Right? It could be a reversal, straight up. Wowzers. Wow. Okay. I mean, that is painful to look at. It's a limit order market. It is a spiking channel, but every pivot is very, like, every bull and bear leg is very teeny here. Like, if you were to trade this as it is showing, then you should be buying with limit orders, selling with limit orders up here. Will the trend continue? Strong pop up. Try to be a little more conservative now. That's a Nascraq. That's a Nascraq for you. It's actually insane. Whew. Second entry short, maybe. Do I like it? I don't know. I'll try. Second entry short. Second entry short here. I could make a case where this is not a good trade to take the second entry short. One case being bad signal bar. Jeez. Like, you can't not take a second short off of this signal bar. Do I want a trap trade? I mean, are traps even working today? I don't even know. Alright, let's take the trap. Forget it. Micro double bottom here instead. I needed to trigger the second entry short first. I'll be patient here. Be very patient here. I'm gonna go with the double, pandas. Let's see what happens. If all else fails, double up. Obviously, I'm kidding. Don't do that. I just like this trade a lot. Looking at the 5-minute chart, this is like very good trade. Oh, I gotta time this perfect though. May not need to time it at all. I guess not. Let's get the 1-to-1. Right on that first contract. One-to-one on the first contract is what we're looking for. The second contract, let's get a new high, shall we? Same for the stars. It looks like a really good trade to me. If it reverses here, it is what it is. But I think it's a good trade, pandas. Let's hope we get it though. This could just reverse on me right here. That's what the market's been doing these days. Or today. Just destroying every trap. I mean, the trap looks good because of the higher low on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, it's gonna get me. It's gonna bust my accounts, I think. Yeah, this might bust my accounts here. Jeez. Accounts can get busted. Yep, accounts just got busted right there. Oh, pandas, what a day. You know what? The thing is, I had my stop loss down here, but my accounts couldn't handle the true stop loss I needed. I couldn't handle it because I did double contracts and the stop loss was huge. Accounts busted. Oh my gosh, pandas. You know, the thing is, if I could have held the true stop loss that I needed there, I think I'll be okay. This is going to push up now. Alright, we're in sim mode. We're absolute sim mode. Pandas, sorry. Today was just too crazy. It looked like a really good trade. The 5-minute chart had a strong bull bar. I'm looking for a second leg up. I just thought it was going to be a nice push up here. Right? Trading range. And then get back to the top of the trading range. I thought that's what's going to happen. In fact, that's kind of what is happening. It's just the fact that the 2 contracts busted my accounts before I could take the proper... pandas. So my stop loss was down here. But my accounts got busted right here. So the accounts got busted and actually did exactly what I was going to do ultimately. Well, as anyone has fast track trading prop, I have, but I don't trust it. If it ever ends in anything other than .com, I don't trust it. I do not trust it. You gotta let a couple cycle payouts to happen. Oh, Panda, it's so frustrating. Right at that 50% mark. Right at that 50% mark is when you get busted. The thing is, again, like, my premise was right, but I couldn't hold a stop loss because of my accounts got busted right here. Jeez Louise, pandas. I mean, what do I do? It is what it is. What a day. What a day. What the Nascraq cracking me out. Cracking my back. We're trading to sim. We're going to sim mode. Just so you guys know. Wowzers. That's insane. Oh my god, pandas. Jeez Louise. That's absolutely insane, actually. So frustrating, pandas. So frustrating. I'm thinking fail second entry long here. Ooh, actually off our trend line. Also off the 20 EMA. Good signal bar. Sure. What do we have to lose at this point? Second entry long off our trend line, also off our 20 EMA. Good looking signal bar. Spiking channel type situation here. Looks like about a trap. I mean, might as well, right, pandas? Might as well. Might as well. Might as well, pandas. What just happened? I have no idea. I'm in 49 contracts, so I'll tell you that much. $60 contracts.
Filled. Target filled. Target filled.
I'm obviously the greatest trader of all time. Obviously. No stop losses, nothing. Just free riding this 48 contract trade, pandas. I mean, obviously, I'm the greatest trader of all time. Obviously. So easy to make money in this market. Just trade sim after you get busted. That's the best way to make money. I should do the other way around. I should get busted on sim and just start trading funded accounts. That's how you really trade. That's the true secret of trading, pandas. I just gave it away. Don't worry, pandas. If you're worried about that, you're not meant to trade. Don't worry about the small pullback. It means nothing. Absolutely nothing. Negative 24K? Nothing to worry about here, pandas. We got nothing to worry about. Pandas, man. Gotta reflect on all my life decisions now. If you can't beat them, join them. You know what I mean, pandas? The limit order bulls making their presence known right there. Interesting. Triangle being created on the 5-minute chart. Big old triangle here. It looks like it wants to break to the upside. Whew. contemplate all my life's decisions now. Let's see if we can make something with our lives. For once. The 1-to-1 here. We got 5 contracts to fly. Let's see what we get. Just 98 contracts, pandas. I mean, no big. No big.
Target filled.
Just 98 contracts. Ugh. Ugh. Pandas. Get that VWAP out of here. Only one who has a VWAP is Cardi B. It's just crazy, pandas. I mean, I gotta make a new rule. If the ATR is like above some number, I just either I gotta actually lower my time frame so the ATR is appropriate. Like I need the ATR to be like at 20, not 500 million. The candles are just too huge. What was the trade I took a second entry short, 5-minute chart? That was the reason why I entered that trade, if you're wondering. The 5-minute second entry short. Looking for a new low now. Or 2 times the risk reward of this trade here. Looks like we're gonna hit it. I mean, it is what it is. Bugatti Chiron oil change money. Just the oil change. Not the actual car. It's true though. This is not even enough to buy the car. The car is like a couple million or something. Now I'm thinking I'm pretty confident we're gonna get some follow through here. Very confident actually.
Target filled.
Got 5 more contracts going down. Can use this pivot. I'm gonna keep thinking as long as we make lower highs and lower lows. I'm gonna keep on trailing this stop loss. Keep thinking we're in a downtrend until proven otherwise. Contemplating my life's decisions right now, Panis. It's kind of crazy to think that the 500 tick, it was like an appropriate, has an appropriate ATR of 21 right now, 22. I should have just traded a 500 tick chart. I never thought about it, trading a 500 tick chart on the Nascraq, but at this point, it's like the candles are so huge. I should have done this. I think next time if I see an ATR that's just too massive, the reason why ATR makes a difference is because you gotta take so much risk in order to take any trade. Second entry long. Good signal bar. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Some follow through. It's rough. It is what it is, though. Wow. Don't be too hard on myself. Do a giveaway and cheer myself up. I think it works the other way around. Just what a day. I mean, it's just like... The trade that busted me was so frustrating because it actually works out. I just didn't have enough threshold to handle that move. Market's calmed down a lot. HK with a 10 Hong Kong dollars. I appreciate it. I think your fur looks nice. Hey, that does cheer me up. You're amazing. Sorry for being such a bummer right now. I mean, it's just frustrating. I appreciate though. I mean, this is what you go through when you trade. You get through those emotions. Only up $29,000. Sucks. Appreciate it, HK. I really do. I mean, you guys are the best. You guys make this worth it. You guys make trading worth it. Second entry long off the 20 EMA. It's looking nice. Nice little like bounce off the 20 EMA like that. I appreciate it. I mean that means a lot. Thanks, Weil. Wile's a goofball, but when it comes down to it, he's a true panda. He's a true bro. What a day, man. I wonder how many accounts, how many prop firm souls this market had reaped today. I wonder. Is it just mine? The Nascraq reaping prop firm souls at this moment. The Nascraq. That's the power of the Nascraq right there. Jeez. I think that's it for me, pandas. Tomorrow, I'll see you guys. Brian, early 9:15. I don't know. Tomorrow I may not be funded. I'll let you guys know. Depends on if I can get funded accounts today. Then we can get funded for tomorrow. But it might be a battle. It might be a battle. I'll try to get funded accounts today, but we'll see. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright early tomorrow. Trade safe, everyone. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.